You're watching Mr. Engineer, and let me tell you, some truck fails don't just cost money, they cost reputations. Let's take a look at what went terribly wrong. That's no way to treat a classic truck. I've said it 100 times in safety briefings. Always double-check your hydraulics before moving. That dump bed ain't a spoiler. It's a giant lightning rod when raised under power lines. It's like a Cold War beast trying to conquer Narnia and getting stuck at the first snowbank. All right, now that's a CRPF Tata 407404 given a masterclass in traction, or lack of it.
Lagi.
You've got thousands of pounds hanging mid-air, and some folks think one strap and a prayer will do the job. Not today.
Go!
Here is the brotherhood of the long-range fighter, and in general, the long-range fighter is a whole nation. With each tracked step, the excavator uses its weight to stay grounded against the flow. Hydraulic arms steady the cabin while the undercarriage maintains traction. This is precision engineering meeting raw nature. Now that's what I call farm boy fun. That little Tomo Vinkovich TV21 is out here drifting like it's Tokyo, but with chains and diesel fumes instead of neon lights.
Oh my God.
The Marcellus don't forgive rookie mistakes. Those pads are slick, rutted, and tilted just enough to mess up your center of gravity when you're pulling something heavy. That dozer's not working, it's gliding, like a hot knife through butter. Bet the operator's just sipping coffee with one hand on the joystick. Next time you see a track, double check both ways, then triple check, because the train won't ask twice. They brought down a century of laughter, learning, and scraped knees. Wasatch Elementary, oldest in Davis, stood proud to the end. Brick by brick, memory by memory, she crumbled with grace. Like a tank from the future, the SE400T doesn't drive, it arrives.
Was?
Well, there goes 30 tons of concrete dreams doing a barrel roll. Luckily, looks like nobody got hurt. And that's what counts. But someone's weekly safety meeting just got a whole lot longer. Ford 1-ton axles, 38, Swampers, custom 4-link. This is textbook rock crawling engineering. The articulation is flawless, and the center of gravity? Locked in.
Yeah! Can't worry about shit like that.
This is why you don't mix horsepower with happy hour. The car had no idea where to go, and frankly, neither did she. Look at that loader line up. Slow, steady, not showy. That's a seasoned operator right there. No rush, no sudden moves, just pure hydraulic confidence. Panther Series low loader steps up, air suspension, hydraulic ramps, and a frame that doesn't flinch. And sitting on its back, a big West Track cat, all teeth and muscle, ready to chew through dirt the second it hits the ground. No front wheels? No problem, apparently. Tension builds. The Komatsu climbs slow and steady, then bam! The Kamaz says, "I'm out," like a stunt double quitting mid-scene. This is movie-level suspense. I'll give the driver credit. Most folks would freeze up or panic rev their way into a rollover, but he held steady, worked the gears, and crawled it out like a pro. If the bridge sways when you walk on it, don't ever drive a truck on it, unless your name's carved into the legend. Descending Ast-Usa like this takes nerves of steel and brakes that actually work. One twitch, one slide. And they're both riding gravity's express train to the river. Ah yes, the classic forgot to torque the lug nuts special. I've seen this one too many times. The wheel's like, "You didn't lock me in? Then I'm out of here." The Kiravet's K700 with its robust V12 diesel engine effortlessly handles heavy plowing. This isn't just land clearing, this is war. The T100M 3.1 charges in like a tank, ripping through dirt and roots like an action hero in a final showdown.
Or just do 19.
When the truck's upside down, don't rush right side up. Take your time or you'll have two problems instead of one.
Yeah. Oh, not me. My feet.
Sounds horrible.
The HZ-J79 ain't flashy, but it's a straight-up legend in terrain like this. Solid axles, no nonsense, and built to outlive 3 owners and a few marriages. With blades pushing 3 meters and diamond-tipped segments, these saws aren't just machines. They're surgical instruments for the toughest materials on Earth. High RPMs, low vibration, and max throughput. Granite? Marble? No problem. That's over 15 tons of machinery bogged down in soggy cornfield soup. You don't just give it gas here, you call for backup and pray the toe straps rated for heartbreak. When your Bobcat thinks it's in America's Got Talent, somebody put music to this. He's moonwalking on concrete. I'll give the driver credit. At least the car stayed straight. That's the upside of a low center of gravity. Moving a rotor isn't just hauling metal, it's moving the core of industrial power. Couturier Transport takes on the challenge with cool precision. The rotor may not look flashy to the untrained eye, but this is the kind of cargo where every bump matters and every tie-down is a make or break. Massive, dense, and beautifully balanced, it rolls out like a steel spine destined for turbines, power stations, or critical heavy machinery. And Couturier, they treat it like sacred freight. This is a ballet of hydraulics, steel, and nerves of pure titanium. Diggers are heavy. Mud is stickier than your Monday blues. And yet, watch this operator defy both with skill and steel. Look close. The cones are there. Warnings there. Dirt already sliding. But that driver, he trusted his instincts and rolled on through. And the mountain waited just long enough. Well now, this ain't your average day on the job site. We got ourselves a Cat 980 wheel loader playing tugboat. The load's heavy, the ground's soft, and the only traction he's got is from pure stubbornness and off-road tires made of magic. If there's one thing I've learned in this line of work, it's that every fail has a lesson. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.